Hello and welcome to today's free trading video and market analysis. I'm your host, Kenny, Senior Research Analyst with the MiniAnalyst.com. First thing we're looking at here is a chart of the market. Should be right there. Oh, there we go. Okay, looking at the chart of the E-mini S&P 500 futures contract. What a day yesterday. Today is Tuesday, following the Thanksgiving long weekend, the Tuesday, second day of December. And big move down yesterday, almost from 900 to 800 in the S&P. So that was a rather large move. We'll say about 80, 85 points. Um, Actually 75 points. We'll call it an 890 down to 816.25 was the close. Huge move lower. We had this strong divergence on Friday. It was a nice drift up in a holiday shortened session Friday. This is Monday's session. Nice little short session there. But strong divergences we did see. Negative divergence here in the open, which continued to the close, which was at a new intra term high. More bearishness here, and of course we got the opening gap lower on the day. Still green bars, but quickly turned to red right here. Accelerating bearishness on all time frames. Acceleration. A little bit of a divergence there, but strong bearishness there on the open. Continued bearishness here for this our intraday dynamics. We did get the retest, not much of a bounce back, but ultimately a retest of the trend once it caught up on the session, and it was all downhill from there. Bearishness again continued to accelerate here, began to accelerate further there, acceleration here and acceleration here. After the retest of the trend, that was good for 42.50 down to 16.25 in about an hour or two. Very fast move. Unfortunately, we didn't hold on in one system we'll look at, but we had a banner day yesterday. We'll take a look at that in a second. The Dow was down, I think, about 700 points. So there you have it. We did have indications of the bullishness, as we mentioned, and we got a close near the high of the session, which is pretty typical on a Thanksgiving week session to close near the highs. But definitely sold them for the first day of December 2008 and sold them down pretty hard. We'll go ahead and look over now at let me just pull that down. Here's our couple of our day traders. Here's the day trader 5.0. Huge mute. Look at these beautiful trades. We'll go ahead and minimize that and clean that up for you. So that was a look at the intraday. Look at this beautiful trades catching from 8,400 to 8,700 the day before the Thanksgiving break on Wednesday. Even catching the holiday shortened session from 8,700 to 8,800. Nice little 100-point pop. And then going short on Monday. Stat Day Trader 5.0, 8,500 down to 8,150 for a nice 350-point pop there. And this is one half of our day trader, or sorry, dual day trader DS. This is the D and the S. Let's see if we had any over here. Nice trades for our day trader 8.0. Nothing for our day trader 7.0. Nice trades for our day trader 10.0, which trades ES contract. Stop there. Nice winner there. Nice winner there. And we're trying to work our way over to the grind, which is right there. Beautiful trades in the grind. Again, yesterday going short about 852, we'll call it, down to 816.25. Holding for the whole of the move was the grind yesterday. Beautiful winner right here. Another very nice winner from 870 to 890 for the grind right there. Short from 852 down to 816.25 was the move yesterday for a very impressive gain. We'll actually look at that in a second. We're going to go ahead and look at the daily chart. We actually moved again, as we mentioned, to officially bullish from a market timing for our official market timing standpoint perspective. I believe it was at 889 a few days ago. So ever since then, we've just, I believe it was on this session. I'm not particularly sure. I have to look at that. But just been chopping around. Pretty violent bottom. A lot of wild swings, but we do continue to hold our official bullishness on the market, particularly as long as we hold above 800, the very round mark of 800, because we did have this two-bar reversal, key reversal setup, buy setup on the market right here in the S&P cash. So as long as we hold above that, if we do decide to negate this two-bar reversal buy setup, it's not going to look too good for the market, and we may go ahead and pull to a neutral stance on the market. But right now, we're down a little bit, 889.25. We've had some amazing calls on the discretionary perspective this year, tallied up maybe 500 points or so in discretionary calls net. And net gains for the year. That's just a rough idea. You guys may have a better idea, but definitely had some amazing calls. Down about 80 points on this one. 889 was the call for bullishness. 816.21. We do look to hold this low. The swing low over here was 839.80, so we'd like to get above 840. 840, this area right here, very key level of 840. In between 840 and we'll call it 790, we're a little cautious, a little apprehensive, but looking for a move to reclaim 900 in the market. We'll see where we go from there. These indicators remain the same. We'll go ahead and pull up the Dow Day Trader 1.0. Now this one wasn't quite able. Just look at the beautiful winners though. 4 straight winners for our Dow Day Trader 1.0. Beautiful winner there from 8,500 down to almost 8,300 on last Tuesday. Huge move, just textbook move. I think the ES Day Trader caught this as well. Bought down here, sold all the way to the high, buy the bull bear trap, holding all the way for a gain of 8,300 to over 8,600, 350 points. Again, catches the holiday session, nice long move, doesn't get whipped out for the acceleration move, the break of the ascending wedge. Didn't quite hold on for this move, went ahead and trailed the stop. Didn't quite hold on to this move, but yeah, there you have it. The ES Day Trader 1.0 again catching this move, very similar move. Again, also gets trailed out on the stop there. So there you have it. We're going to go ahead and look and see how we've done. We'll pull up these right here. Just a couple of days after the dual day trader breaks 500% in under 90 days. We're right above 600%. So really catching a big pop. If you look over, actually, that's the MapDT. Here we go. Dual day trader. That's not going to go back far enough. So we'll just go back over here. And we'll see if you look back. Dual day trader made 70% yesterday. MapDT coming in just shy of that. $20,000 account up 65.28%. The original MapDT. Banner days, a dual day trader. $1,000 last Monday. Didn't trade last Tuesday at all, apparently. Last Wednesday, $2,500 on a $5,000 account. Of course, you can have as many of these as you want. If you had $100,000, you could buy 20 if you were interested. But $2,500 was the gain, 50% there last Wednesday. 10% gain last Friday. It was definitely worth the extra effort we had to make that a go on Friday to make our clients a little bit of extra money. Ordinarily, it would have been difficult to trade on the holiday shortened session, but we managed to eke out some gains. And then eye-popping 70% return on Monday. That leads to a quick, just 2 days after busting the 500% barrier. We've been tracking this for 89 days now, and this 45-day mark is ever since the market fell into its turmoil. So very impressive 500% move. And given the dynamics, the intraday or the market dynamics that we've seen ever since the market's turmoil. Speaking of which, yeah, huge moves lower in people's IRAs. If you are interested in hedging your IRAs and you've lost some of the $3 trillion that we've seen vanish in this country's IRA system, definitely should look into 10 to 20% of your total portfolio, putting it in risk speculative investments like what we do, auto trading, full automation, no human involvement with the MiniAnalyst.com, so that you can at least hedge. If you're not looking to speculate, at least hedge some of these 700-point down moves that we're able to participate nicely in with the dual day trader, the map day trader, or even our larger portfolios up 300% now for our map black. If you have any questions on that, definitely recommend it as a hedging vehicle. What we offer, generally it's for speculation, some for hedging, but these are some great hedging opportunities. Go to the website, chat with our support team live, or shoot us an email to admin@MiniAnalyst.com, and we'd love to talk to you about getting you involved. And I hope you guys are having a great week. We'll see you next time.